Hi guys, it's Joe here at Jordan Bikes and Leeds, and welcome to the video of this lovely 2019 19 plate Triumph Tiger 800 XRX, and this one is a low model. It's an 8,002 miles and it's gorgeous. It's a really nice clean bike. So this model comes with a full colour TFT display. You get ABS, you get traction control, you get different power modes. You also get cruise control on this model, heated grips, and this one has got the comfort passenger seat, it's got the low rider's seat, and it's got the 2-box alloy luggage as well. But it's a fantastic bike to ride, just short of 100 brake horsepower, 3-cylinder engine. You've got all your different modes there. You can go into sort of the display. Let me just show you that. Got a little joystick. You can actually change your display setup as well, so you can go to style, different style there, come back out and see how it's all changed. But a cool bike. Really nice. This one looks fantastic. It's in really good condition as well. And if you want to get it bought, get yourself down to Jordan Bikes, or just simply give us a call. Thank you for watching. Cheers.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk-around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.